When we implement an unsafe trait, we must uphold some variant that compiler can't verify. So we need to be careful to implement an unsafe trait. Let's create an unsafe trait. Use unsafe keyword and trait. Give it a name, transmute safe, and let's declare a generic type parameter. Give it a name u. Let's implement this unsafe trait. We must use unsafe keyword, then impl, and this trait name transmute, and let's use a concrete type to replace this generic type parameter. So let's give it a type u8 and implement this unsafe trait for Boolean type. Bool. We know when Boolean value is true, it is 1 in integer number. When Boolean value is false, it is 0 in integer number. So it is safe to implement this unsafe trait transmute safe with u8 type on this Boolean type. Let's create a function fn, give it a name safe transmute, and we need to declare two generic type parameter. First is t, second is u, and this function will take one parameter, give it a name t, and type is $t. Its returning type is $u, reference to this type u value. And let's use where to treat upon this transmute safe trait on this generic type t colon transmute safe u. And in this function body, let's create a unsafe block. In this unsafe block, we will convert this t to a raw pointer. So t use s to typecast this t to a raw pointer asterisk const t, and let's use this s typecast again. Convert this raw pointer point to this t type value to a raw pointer point to this u type value. So u, and let's put this in a parenthesis, and we use this dereference operator to dereference this raw pointer to get the value of this type of u, and let's add the ampersand, so it will create a reference to this type of u value. This function will transmute a value of type t to a value of the type u. So you can see this u is the same type of u in this transmute safe trait. We implement this transmute safe on this Boolean type when we pass a Boolean type value into this function, so it will transmute this Boolean value from bool type to this u8 type. In our main function, let's create a Boolean type value, give it a name b equal to true, and let's create another variable a equal to, let's use this safe transmute function and pass a reference to this b, and let's put out this value a is a. In our terminal, let's cargo run. It will print out a is 1. We call this safe transmute function to transmute a type of Boolean value to a type of u8 value is safe. If we create a struct type here, give it a name struct, give it a name my struct, and without fields. And let's implement this unsafe trait transmute safe on this my struct. So unsafe impl transmute safe with we will give it a concrete type like a string for my struct. Let's go to the main function to create an instance of this my structure, ms equal to my structure. Here, don't forget the semicolon. Here, semicolon. And let's create another variable. Give it a name c equal to, and let's call this safe transmuter function and pass the reference to this ms to this function. Let's print out this c variable. C is C. In our terminal, let's cargo run. You can see our program crashed because when we use this safe transmuter function to transmute a value of this mass structure type to a value of this string type in Rust, it's undefined behavior, so it will crash our program. So when we implement an unsafe trait, we need to be careful to make sure it is safe. This is about unsafe trait. Hope see you next time.